My name is Ivan Manuel from ATS Lab Midwest, and today we're going to talk about why a growing number of industrial safety programs teaching lockout tagout are adopting virtual reality to create a safer work environment. Lockout tagout is a necessary part of any industrial setting. Understanding the importance of following the correct protocol every single time a machine is down or being serviced is a must. Accidents commonly occur when an individual thinks that a machine was shut down properly and it wasn't. And the injuries associated with hazardous energy can be extremely severe, so we can't afford to have even one mishap. It's shocking to find out that OSHA consistently ranks lockout tagout for the most serious workplace violation and most often cited workplace violation. In order to create a safer work environment for every individual on the production floor, we must follow the correct protocol every single time a machine is down or being serviced. Virtual reality is a great way to get individuals up to speed on the correct methods associated with lockout tagout. Virtual reality has been shown to improve engagement levels, improve retention levels, and reduce costs associated with traditional training.
Shut down the pump, service it, and power it back on. Remember to use correct procedures to keep yourself and your coworkers safe.
Here's an example of me going through a lockout tagout scenario within the free range platform. You'll see that I started by closing the pump valves. Now that the machine is completely shut down, I'll take my lock and tag and lock out the circuit.
Don't forget to lock out and tag out correctly.
Now I'll do the same for the pump valves. Then I quickly notify the rest of my team on the floor that this machine is now down for maintenance.
Shutting down pump 3.
So now I'm going through a servicing process on the machine.
Continue to service the pump.
Now that the machine has been serviced, I'll notify the team that I'm going to boot the machine back up.
Putting pump 3 back in service.
I'll remove all of my locks and tags, and then I'll go through the power up process. This system is designed to take an individual at any level and provide them with the basis in order to build best practices, so whenever they're faced with hazardous energy, they know exactly how to handle the situation. Thank you for joining me for another demo, and it was a great example of how we're seeing virtual reality continue to improve retention levels, improve engagement levels, reduce costs associated with training, while creating a safer work environment for every individual. If you have any questions or you want to see a few more examples, please reach out to me or my team at ATS Lab Midwest. Thank you.